I connect with 80% of those one, and I had a discussion with 42% of those 500 people. That's a lead generation and amazing. You won't have this result in 2 months of work sending message. Okay, so the power, this is the power. Branding, your personal branding, and the way you're going to interact with this branding, your personal branding. Now, just to be really honest with you, we have 5-6 minutes. I'm going to do a last stuff. We have one point, but I will speak about lead generation, because I'm sure you like say, hey, well, this is nice, but how do you do the lead generation yourself on LinkedIn? I will tell you, and I have a concrete example also. But I want to leave space for questions. You need to start to make your profile on LinkedIn active. This is one of the biggest mistakes of salespeople. They expect that people are going to look at their profile, and they don't do anything about this. So you need to start to be active. One of the best way to make yourself visible is to interact with the posts of relevant people. You know? So if you go here, I'm going to show you all activity. You will see that I have a massive activity on LinkedIn. You know, here I like this post. Okay, here I like this post. You see, it's nonstop. Like this post, and then you will see a comment post also. A comment post I like. You know, I make myself visible, and I have many people. You saw the people here, they connect with me because they saw me interacting with some post. Now, if those people are relevant for me, I will definitely, I will show some example. If they are relevant for me, then I start to have a conversation. Then I say, hey, you're the CEO of this company, even in IT. Do you know that I've been to Ukraine? If it's an Ukrainian company, and I'm curious about your story. Here is the link to one of my posts. Maybe you are interested in jumping on a coffee break with me. That I will be happy to learn from you. Now you're going to say, yeah, but it's an IT company. Yes, but an IT company, what do they need? They need servers. They need clouds to push the application or to push the system. We can beat AWS at GeoCollabs. So it's very interesting for them. But if I contact them and say, hey, you look at my profile, happy to connect. Do you want to buy servers by us? No. But if I say, hey, thank you very much for connecting with me. I'm very curious. I mean, do you know that I've been to Ukraine? I didn't know your company, but as a CEO, I'm really interested by learning how you build your company. Look, I have a coffee break challenge. Here's the link. If you are interested, let's have a coffee online together. And then I'm going to listen to him. I'm going to ask him, what are the fears? But I already have the conversation. I'm on the call with him. We are already one step that just exchanging messaging, where most of the sales never arrive to have a call, because when they ask a call, it's like, I want to have a call to sell you something. So people say no. Me, I want a call to listen to you. And you can try to sell me something. That's fine. I accept the game. But I will discover if you need one of my service, or if you need something that I can help you with. And at one moment, 100% again is going to ask me, and you, Manuel, what are you doing? What is GeoCollabs doing? Well, actually, that can be useful for you, you know? But I'm not trying to sell you something. We do hosting and stuff. You're not interested in that. Well, actually, I'm interested. I'm tired of the price of AWS and so on. Oh, really? Explain to me a little bit, what are the problems you are facing?